Good morning to you all. Today I want to discuss Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan. Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan is a national level, unique app based science talent search examination that is conducted online. The registered student will be allowed to take examination from his or her own device, namely a smartphone or laptop or desktop from his or her home. Exam will be conducted on Windows and Android platform only. The first level examination will be conducted on 30th November or 5th December 2021. Timing of examination will be same all over India. The mode of registration will also be online. The individual student registration. For individual student registration, the student will enter detail like name, date of birth, create password, class, school name, address, district, state, etc. And then the entered data will be verified by VVM admin by sending OTPs on registered mobile number and email ID respectively. Both the OTP will be different and required to be entered for completion of verification process. Now the student will be provided with an option to make online payment after logging into website. They can select from option of payment according to their ease using the payment gateway. After completion of the registration process, the student will be provided with a unique username and password. Date of examination will be pre-selected either 30th November or 5th December 2021, and the student will not be allowed to make any change in the same. A student has to arrange for a device with good internet connectivity on the pre-selected date and time of examination. School, institute and student registration. We encourage bulk registration through school, institute. To register under school, institute category, a minimum 10 students per class have to be registered. The school, institute principal, authority needs to appoint the school, institute exam coordinator, and he, she will register the school, institute and the student as per step 2nd and step 3rd. Step 2nd, registration of school, institute. Enter the detail of school like school, institute name, school, institute address, name of principal, name of exam coordinator, mobile number, email ID. This information will be displayed as school, institute profile on the VVM website. The entered data will be verified by VVM admin by sending OTPs on registered mobile number and email ID respectively. Both the OTPs will be different and required to be entered after completion of verification process. After completion of verification, the school, institute will be provided with a unique identification number, username and password. The exam coordinator will now be able to register a student who wish to take up VVM examination after logging to the website. After completion of the verification, the school, institute will be provided with a unique code visible after logging into their dashboard, which can be distributed to the student. Step 3rd, registration of student from the school. The exam coordinator can ask the student of his or her school, institute who wish to take up the VVM online examination to register in the individual student category and enter the unique ID in their dashboard. As soon as the student will enter the unique code in their respective dashboard, they will be automatically added in the school dashboard. Two other options with the exam coordinator to register the student are online, one by one online entry of the student detail. Second is offline. The coordinator enters minimal details like name of student, class, gender, email ID, phone number, etc. in the prescribed Excel format provided for this purpose. It will be an offline process because editable Excel file, no change in the format of the file will be acceptable, is provided for the data entry. The details of the VVM are: the registration will be available through online mode on the VVM website www.vvm.org.in. Eligibility: the student from class 6 to 11th studying under CBSE, ICSE and State Board. The languages are English, Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Bengali, Gujarati, Punjabi, Odia, Malayalam, Assamese. Exam center are home. Registration will open from 7th August 2021 and it will be closed on 31st October 2021. The fee will be rupees 100 till 31st October 2021 without late fee. Mode of the payment: through payment gateway and online, RTGS/NEFT and Challan payment only. No cash, no DD, no check will be acceptable. Individual registration for the student: those who are making individual registration, they are requested to make the payment through online mode only. Only school principal/exam coordinator can deposit fee directly in VVM account. After depositing fee, they are requested to retain deposit slip with transaction ID, date and time to be uploaded on VVM offline payment mode option provided in their school/institute dashboard. Fee payment status will be updated after 48 hours of the uploading of the deposit slip/receipt. Account number is 700960717. Account name is Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan. IFSC code is IDIB000D008. Branch name and address of the bank: Indian Bank, Defence Colony, New Delhi. Website is www.vvm.org.in. Thank you.